molecule living in a cell. The DNA molecule is called plasmid. One day, typhoon happens in plasmid's neighborhood. The cell is broken and plasmid fall out. As a result, plasmid lost its home and loitering around the neighborhood. All of a sudden, a group of restriction enzymes attacks plasmid and its friends. A restriction enzyme attacks plasmid's multiple cloning site. Plasmid's restriction site is cut and broken. Same goes to some of its friends. Pitiful plasmid escaped from the battle scene and met with nurse ligase with DNA fragments. The kind ligase tried to look for DNA fragment which can heal the plasmid's wound. However, it is not easy to look for DNA fragments which can fit in the cutting site of plasmid. Nurse ligase never give up and keep trying to look for a suitable DNA fragment which can fit in the plasmid's cutting site. Eventually, a desired DNA fragment is found. It fits in the plasmid's cutting site perfectly and heals the wound. Plasmid is very happy and very much appreciates the help from nurse ligase. After the wound is healed, plasmid found a new home. Then it starts to live in the new home happily. However, plasmid starts to feel lonely living alone. Immediately, it figures out an idea to overcome the loneliness. The idea is replicating itself to get partners. Plasmid feels very happy and keeps on replicating itself. However, the home is too crowded with increasing number of family members. Therefore, plasmid and its twins start to separate their home by pushing towards the end of the wall. Plasmid and its twins keep on repeating the same process, and thus the number of cells grows. Someday, antibiotics are introduced to plasmid's neighborhood. The antibiotics starts to attack cells. Fortunately, plasmid with antibiotic resistant site is able to produce shield to protect their home. On the contrary, cells without plasmid die. One day, UFO come to plasmid's neighborhood and kidnaps all the cells with plasmid. The UFO brings the cells to a foreign planet which is called Asgard. Plasmid and its family are abandoned on the planet and forced to live there. As time passes, the cells start to replicate themselves and form colonies. However, as the colonies grow bigger, cells with plasmid who do not have desired DNA inserted at the multiple cloning sites react with Asgard on the planet. The reaction causes production of blue dye, which turns the cells into blue color. On the other hand, cells with plasmid having desired DNA didn't being dyed into blue color. Plasmid feels very happy because the breakdown of multiple cloning sites protect it from being dyed into blue color.